A lot of people cooped up, probably hoping to get a little bit of fresh air this weekend. But George, still might be a little bit chilly.
Yeah, I got it to bundle up like you've had this afternoon. Man, it's going to be cold, but it will be sunny. We love that. But now that spring has officially arrived, where did spring go? It'll be back next week. 13 weather ball, though, is blue. Colder weather in view for the weekend. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast a temperature to fall to 30 degrees by 5 o'clock. It has been 31. And with our high yesterday within 2 degrees of our forecast, just before midnight, that's 8 days in a row within 3 degrees. Winds are still kind of gusty at the lakeshore, 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts there in Muskegon, gusting to 23 here in Grand Rapids and 28 in Holland. Earlier this morning when the cold front went through, you can see there in Grand Rapids, also in Holland with that 47-mile-per-hour wind gust. Some gusts to over 35 to 40 miles per hour, and then there were a few more this afternoon around 35 miles an hour, and that time it was out of the north. So we stopped counting down to spring. How about to summer? 91 days before summer officially arrives, but we are going to be warming up and getting more hours and minutes of daylight between now and then. A sunny, cold, dry weekend with highs in the 30s on Saturday and 40 on Sunday. Milder all next week with highs in the 50s, but there are going to be several rounds of showers, most likely Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and again Friday night into Saturday. We'll break it down here in a minute, but the clouds still hanging tough. We had those rain showers that produced over an inch of rain in a couple of areas off to the north and west of Grand Rapids, but it's been pretty quiet since then. We've had a few freak out flurries throughout the day today, getting people excited, but for the most part it hasn't had no impact. Cold front has gone on through. We're now definitely into the colder air with those north winds over the weekend. It's going to stay cold and dry. Well, clouds are going to clear out quickly this evening, and we'll see plenty of sunshine during the day tomorrow. On Saturday night, we'll watch some high clouds come in from the south, just filtering the moonlight just a little bit and filtering the sunshine a bit on Sunday. On Sunday night, there's going to be a system passing just to our south. This is around 2 o'clock in the morning on Monday. There may be some snow flurries again down to the south, and that may last into Monday morning, but for the most part, that will be low or no consequence. And again, here's where the snow will fall, maybe enough down toward Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. Of course, we'll update that as we get into the weekend. Forecast then for tomorrow, beautiful blue skies, although it will look better than it will feel. Winds will be out of the northeast, temperatures in the low and mid 30s, just a little bit above freezing. Low and mid 30s up north, between about 32 in Baldwin and Reed City to as warm as 34 in Fremont. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll climb back up into the mid 30s with plenty of sunshine. 13 on your side forecast. Out of the deep freeze into the more palatable 50s by the middle part of next week. Average high still only 46. And again, there are those chances of showers next week. And it looks like we're going to stay a little bit warmer than average for at least the next 10 days.